Good day mga kabayan. It's December 24, quarter to 12. Okay, noon, no? So, meron na kami mga first batch na pinamili para sa mga lucky winners. Joke. Sa mga lucky receivers, okay? So, ngayon, ang aming ruta is papalaundry yung mga coat and then mamimili ng medianoche, noche buena, ano ba? And then mamimili ng mga gift pa dun sa mga nakaligtaan, hindi naman nakaligtaan, sa mga kulang pa. And then later on, I'm gonna show you guys yung ating menu. I'm not sure kung mako-cover nitong part 1 na to or may part 2 pa dahil medyo marami tayong menu guys, no? So I'll just show you a glimpse of this mga napamili na namin. Okay? 2 days back. So prepared si Mima. Puno na yung passenger seat natin guys. So mamaya ngayon sama kayo sa amin. Okay? Okay then. Sama kayo sa akin ha. Dali natin tong inipon ni Ninang G sa laundry. Ubus na, paninda. Ang sarap ng panahon. Perfect. Okay. Bye. Bye. Can I see? Smile. It's okay. Hey. Sasarap guys, oh. Lobster. Okay my friend, thank you. I wish you a merry. Yan o guys, ang aming pork section. Yes. Guys, ito, tingnan ninyo. Naawa ako dito long, naawa ako dito. Hello. Hi my friend. This is my friend.
That pig is dead.
Piggy. Yes.
It's dead.
So yan guys, isa pa sa menu natin. Baby pork baby back ribs. Yes. I want to take 2. Yes. Bukod sa lechon, itong ating best friend. Hamon. Guys, yan yung napamili namin. Kompleto na. Atid kami ni Baba. Lamig! Maginaw! Pero mainit. Sarap. Here guys are ingredients for the Relyenong Pusit. We have garlic, onion, carrots, pickles. Ayan, nalinis na natin si Pusit. At ito yung giniling natin. So, let's start guys. Yung sounds ni Mima, no? New wave, okay? So, magluto na tayo ng relyenong pusit, guys. Okay? Saute the garlic, onion, and the giniling. So, we just put some salt and pepper to taste, guys. No? And then, yan lang. Gigisa lang natin yung giniling sa ating favorite kawali. Lagyan lang natin ng oyster sauce yung pusit, guys, ha? Para naka-marinate na siya. This is my version. I don't know to others. Okay, so again, imamash lang natin yan. Ay, smash. Ayan, mamassage lang natin siya. Para lumasa na ang ating, para may lasa ng ating pusit. You get the power to learn. You're indescribable. Always believing. Ayan guys, ito yung ating pork baby back ribs. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put some oyster sauce and garlic powder. And guys, nilagyan ko rin siya ng pepper and then lemongrass. Okay? Mamaya ihaw natin to para tumalab na yung lasa sa pork. Mas masarap kinakamay, guys. Minamasahe. TLC, tender loving care. Okay? Ayan. Ayan, masarap yan. Wow! Sarap yan mamaya, guys. Ayan, kumukulo na yung giniling. Ayan, guys. Sinama ko yung tinta ng pusit para pusit talaga siya. And then with pickled relish and the carrots. That's it for our filling, guys. Guys, ano pala, nilagyan ko siya ng brown sugar tsaka oyster sauce. Yeah. Para may lasa na yung filling natin. Okay? So, yan guys. Ready na yung filling natin. Ipapasok lang natin siya dito sa binabad nating pusit. And then, i-lock natin siya ng toothpick. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Alright, ito na sila guys. Tatakban lang natin. Let it boil. And then, we'll check the sauce. We'll put tomato sauce later. Tomato sauce and pickles on the way. And na guys, pinakuluan na natin. Then, nalagyan na natin pampalapot. And that's it. Yes, this is it. Nilagyan ko lang ng konting flour guys. Ayan. Relyenong Pusit. Guys, our next dish is lobster thermidor. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the ingredients and then we're gonna cook it together. Okay, my first time to cook this dish, so excited ako. Okay guys, sama kayo. So we have our lobster, 2 egg yolk, bell pepper, lemon, cheese, and cheese po yan. Cheese and evaporated milk. Okay? So we will just boil this cutie lobster for 12 minutes guys. Okay? Iyan na guys. So I guess pwede na to para hindi tumigas, no? We put the butter guys. Okay? Butter. Then milk. Okay? Just stir it. Then let's put the egg yolk guys. And keep stirring it. And lemon, yes. Lemon.
Ah, ano pa ganyan?
Yes. So we add in the cheese guys, no? So yun yung magiging sauce niya. That's it. Yan guys, naihaw na tayo ng ating ribs. Okay, nandito tayo ngayon sa aming hardin. Yan, madilim. Yan, ang aming hardin, magulo. Guys, ang ganda, oh. Ayan. Hindi sunog yan, ha. Madilim lang. Relyenong Pusit, or Kumba, Lobster Thermidor, Caldereta, Shanghai,